Hey, and welcome back to our channel. We are back with another JavaScript challenge. Let's have a look at our challenge. Now here our first task: create 4 variables that contain numbers. Call the variable something sensible. Okay, we have to create 4 variables which are going to contain some numbers. Okay, let's create some variables. Let num1 equals to, let's say, 10 for now. Let num2 equals to 11. Let num3 equals to 12, and let num4 equals to 13. Now we have successfully created our 4 variables. Now let's have a look at our second task. Add the first 2 variables together and store the result in another variable. Okay, we have to add these first 2 variables. Let's say let result1 equals to num1 plus num2. This equals to mean assignment operator, don't get confused. Okay, now we have successfully stored the addition of these first 2 variables in another variable called result1. Console.log result1. It's going to be 21. As you can see here, it's 21. Okay, now let's have a look at our third task. Subtract the 4th variable from the third and store the result in another variable. Now we have to subtract our number 3 and number 4 variable. Let's say let result 2 equals to assignment operator number 3 minus variable number 4. And let's again console.log result 2. It's going to be -1, as you can see here. Okay, now let's have a look at our fourth task. Multiply the result from step 2 and 3 and store the result in a variable called final result. We have to multiply result 1 and result 2, and we have to store the answer of these two in another variable called final result. Final result equals to result 1 multiplied by result 2. As you can see here, now what are we going to get? Let's have a look. Console.log final result. As you can see here, we get -21. Check if final result is an even number using an arithmetic operator and store the result in a variable called even odd result. To pass this test, final result should have a value of 48 and even odd result should have a value of 0. Here we have some problems. The final result should have the value of 48, but here we got 21, so we are going to fix this now. Now we wanted to have the value of 48 in our final result. How are we going to achieve this? When result 1, let's say the answer of result 1 is 8 and the answer of result 2 is going to be 6. 6. When we multiply 8 by 6 times, it's going to be 48. So now we are going to achieve this. Let's say here we are using addition and here we are subtracting number 3 and number 4. For addition, we are going to say 4 plus 4, so it is 8. And for addition, let's say we wanted to achieve the number of 6. Let's say 12 and 6. 4 plus 4 is 8 and 12 minus 6 is 6. Our result 1 is going to be 8 and our result 2 is going to be 6. So when we multiply both of these, we are going to achieve the value of 48, as you can see here. Now let's have a look. To pass this test, final result should have a value of 48 and even odd result should have a value of 0. Now we have to check if our final result is an even number or an odd number. Now how are we going to do this is, let's say even odd result equals to final result We are getting the remainder of 48 division by 2. Now let's console.log. We have to provide the let in to declare a variable even odd result. As you can see here, we got the 0. So now this is it for our challenge. We have successfully completed our challenge. Now I'm going to meet you in another video. Peace out.